Ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin yung spherical shell. So, if we are going to derive the formula for the stress in the spherical shell, we have to cut this spherical shell and ma-expose natin itong part na to. So, we have here the wall. Yan. And this would be the thickness of the wall. And here is the diameter. And the pressure distribution area is the horizontal projection nito, and this would be the pressure distribution area, wherein the total internal pressure will be acting at the centroid of the circle, and this is the pressure P. So dito ay magkakaroon din ng stress sa wall, and ito tong mga to ay pag pinagsama-sama natin will be the total wall pressure, which we will denote as F. So if we are going to summate forces vertical is equal to 0, we know that the total internal pressure is just equal to total wall pressure. So for the pressure is equal to the force P over the area. So this P here, denoted as the capital P, is equal to the internal pressure multiplied by the area, which is pi d square over 4. So we can say that P is equal to P pi d square over 4. So we have the stress is equal to the force over the area of the wall. So we have stress is equal to force, and the area of the wall is equal to circumference multiplied by the thickness. So circumference is pi diameter multiplied by the thickness. So we have here F is equal to stress pi dt. So therefore, if we are going to equate this, we would have P pi d square over 4 is equal to stress pi dt. So that would give us stress is equal to, cancel yung pi, cancel yung isang diameter, and this would be equal to PD over 40. And this formula is just the same as our formula in longitudinal stress, right? So if this spherical chunk of diameter d and thickness t contains gas under pressure P, in which the P is the difference between the internal pressure and the external pressure, so we would have the formula for the stress in the spherical shell as Pi minus Po multiplied by diameter over 40. And this formula is just the same as our formula in the longitudinal stress. Problem 2. The wall thickness of a 4 feet diameter spherical chunk is 5/16 inch. Calculate the allowable internal pressure if the stress is limited to 8,000 psi. Given, we have diameter of 4 feet. And if we are going to express this in inch, we multiply this by 12. So we have here 48 inches. The thickness of the tank is 5/16 inch. And the stress is limited to 8,000 psi. So from the derived formula, we have stress is equal to PD over 40. So we have here stress is 8,000 psi, P is unknown, and the diameter is 48 inches. over 4 times the thickness of 5 over 16 inch. So if we are going to compute for the allowable internal pressure, then we will have 8,000 is equal to pressure times 48 over 4 times 5 over 16. Shift solve equals, and we would have 208.33 psi. So this is equal to 208.33 psi, and this is our answer.